guys, welcome back to the channel. Subscribe to this channel. You can like this video if you really like this video. You can also check me out on my Instagram account because there also I'm creating so much of styling and hair care and beauty and fun and reels and all of that. And today's video is going to be super duper interesting because I've already done a Rakhi makeup look, but I wanted to do something that is very simple and very quick, and even like teenagers can follow this. So I have used barely 5 to 6 products for this whole makeup look, and you can also do this. And I have not even used any foundation or concealer or anything like that, so it is going to be very simple, very quick. And apart from that, in this video I will also show you 2-3 like I have some jumpsuit and dresses and like cute pieces and options. And in case you guys do not know, there is an Amazon Great Freedom Sale going on from the 6th to the 10th of August. Then definitely go and buy some stuff for yourself because sale में काफी slash rate में है, and I know कि अभी राखी में you need stuff. Also, there are a lot of functions coming up, so you need a lot of stuff. And now let's just get started with how I actually achieved this cute makeup look. Starting with the moisturizer, I'm going to use this Pond's Light Cream Moisturizer. This is such a lightweight moisturizer and it is amazing for the cause that it comes for. Very lightweight, it just fades away into the skin, and that is what we are going to apply right now. So please go for a sunscreen. A very affordable option of sunscreen is going to be Lotus Herbal Sunscreen. This is again, this is a SPF 50, which is a very good thing. So 130-140 का ऐसा कुछ तो ट्यूब आता है, which is very affordable. So you guys can definitely go for what is called a BB cream. So BB creams and CC creams are usually just a tint that gives like a tint fairness to your face. This is the amount that I'm going to take in to spread it underneath my eyes like this, forehead में थोड़ा सा, and then I'll take it in the nose area again here. Usually these are the points where we apply concealer. Nicely apply over here. They don't have a lot of shades, so उसकी वजह से ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो आपके face skin tone के साथ match करे. So that is why blend करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, otherwise it will look very different from your natural skin. You can see we got pretty much of a nice light sort of a coverage over here. Also, while prepping, I completely forgot to apply a lip balm, which is super duper important. All you want to do is just give your face a little bit of dimension and just pop out the nice features on your face. So for that, I think so I'm going to use one thing, okay? Either you can use a blush stick, or you can use like a tint like this, or you can use like a lipstick that is more in like a red to pink sort of a shade like that. So in तीनों में से आप कोई भी एक चीज़ use कर सकते हो, and with that help you can do a lot of other stuff. Going to go in with this Earth Rhythm lip and cheek tint. At the same time आप ये cheeks में use कर सकते हो, eyes में use कर सकते हो, lips में use कर सकते हो. It's a very nice product and a very handy product, especially for teenagers. को आप ऐसे अप्लाई कर लो. आप कुछ भी और ले सकते हो, like एक लिपस्टिक अगर होगी जो पिंक शेड की है या रेड शेड की है, आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. It's not a big deal. And take everything up, just like this up. So you get like a snatch, like a youthful face. ऐसे एक अलग ही definition आ गया और एक cute सा look आ गया. I want to go for like a little bit of smoky, dry type of an eye. All you need is just one kajal. So you need one kajal pencil, which is very easily available. If you have a eyeshadow palette, like a छोटू सा eyeshadow palette that has any dark shade, maybe a dark brown shade or maybe a black shade, then we can definitely work for the eyeshadow look over here, which I'm going to show you with the eyeshadow today. But the same step can happen with kajal as well. ये है NYB का palette. If you want to go and buy the palette also, you can buy this also. तो अगर आप eyeshadow के लिए जा रहे हो तो आप कोई भी dark brown या फिर कोई भी ऐसा कलर जो आपके आउटफिट के साथ मैच कर रहा है वो कलर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट एनी हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल कि यू हैव टू गो फॉर दैट ब्लैक स्मोकी लुक इटसेल्फ, सो यू कैन डू दैट. सो राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इन दिस ब्राउन वाला शेड प्लस ब्लैक शेड. सो मैं ये ब्राउन शेड पहले ले रही हूँ फ्रॉम दिस स्विस ब्यूटी का पैलेट. आई टोल्ड यू हाउ यू कैन वर्क अराउंड विद द काजल एज वेल. उसको बस ऐसे थोड़ा आई जस्ट वांट टू पैट इट लाइक दिस. अगर आपके पास ब्रश नहीं भी है ना तो भी इज़ गोइंग टू वर्क. आई एम टेलिंग यू. ये साइड मैं ब्रश से करके बताती हूँ, ये साइड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डू विथ माई फिंगर्स. ब्रश इट आउट. इनफैक्ट आई फील लाइक इसकी ब्लेंडेबिलिटी और भी ज़्यादा अच्छी आई है इसके हिसाब से. So the same lip and cheek thing that I use for the cheeks over here, I'm just going to apply that over here as well. And now that is it. अगर आपको आई लुक को थोड़ा सा और डिफाइन करना है तो आप मस्कारा भी ऐड कर सकते हो. एंड मस्काराज में भी काफ़ी इनएक्सपेंसिव ऑप्शंस आपको मिल जाएंगे. मेक्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिफरेंस, नॉट अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस, बट दैट इज व्हाट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू in case you want to do that. So that is it. We are done with this whole makeup look. It turned out very cute and nice and subtle and simple, and I've just added this very cute छोटा सा stud over here which also looks very pretty and nice. So that is what the whole look is about. So I kept it very simple. Anyways, now let's just get into the outfit portion. So I do have 2-3 stuff to show you guys. Specifically the first one that I'm wearing right over here. I know आप सब यही सोच रहे होगे, this is such a nice piece work of all of this sequin going on over here. ये काफी smart look है because you have all of these pant style on this and everything, and also this cut and everything is also very cool and smart. You also get a nice zip at the back so you can easily wear it. And also ये जो neck portion आप देख रहे हो ना, इसके पीछे एक button है, so you can open up the button of the neck and you can just tie it up, so it's very easy to wear also. I got this one for only 840 rupees on Amazon, which is a great price, and also if freedom sale is going on तो शायद उससे भी एक चीप में आपको मिल जाएगा. एंड इसमें सारे कलर ऑप्शंस भी है. यू कैन गेट लाइक अ ग्रीन कलर ऑप्शन, यू कैन गेट अ ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर ऑप्शन इज ऑल्सो देयर, एंड आई गॉट दिस वन इन द साइज मीडियम एंड इट फिट्स मी सो परफेक्टली. लाइक जस्ट गो फॉर योर ओन साइज. नेक्स्ट लेट मी एक्चुअली शो यू, दिस इज अ वेरी क्यूट ड्रेस, एंड स्पेसिफिकली इफ यू आर लाइक अ कॉलेज गोइंग पर्सन you would definitely love this dress. And this is like a black dress that you see over here which has these puff sleeves which look so cute and nice. I think so puff sleeves like instantly elevates any dress without doing much, so this is why I love this puff sleeve. And you have a very beautiful like a sweetheart neckline going on over here. Like it kind of accentuates the neckline so beautifully, and also ये बहुत ज़्यादा deep neck भी नहीं है, so it's very comfortable to wear at the same time. A lot of you guys don't want to wear like very short dresses, so उसके हिसाब से तो इसकी ड्रेस की जो लेंथ है it's काफ़ी nice. You get this nice print, like a floral sort of a print, like a spring sort of a print on this black color. Go out for a brunch, or if you can go out to meet your friends or something like that, even if you're a college going person, school going person, whatever, this will suit so nice. I got this one for only 620 rupees, and I got this one in the size medium, which is absolutely true to size, so definitely go for your own size only. And this one is another jumpsuit. I think so this could be my favorite jumpsuit that I'm talking about. It's a very cool print, very casual style, but a very nice print. You can already see this is the sleeve. This actually goes up, and this one actually comes in the side. ये कितना ज़्यादा cute है, ये frill and everything. This is amazing breathable material, like very lightweight type का material है. It's a very nice style. Have the frill in the side of the sleeves, and that frill actually continues over here on this chest part as well. Office जा रहे हो, you can still wear this one along with a blazer or something like that. It will completely look formal. I'm telling you, it's a very versatile look. I got this one in the size medium, and it fits me absolutely perfect. I got this one for 750 rupees, which is again a great price for a jumpsuit. Pair this up with white sneakers or black shoes, like chunky white and black shoes, and that would be the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.